Hi, I'm Dr. Joe, and I am to LoveThatFace.com. And cosmetic facial surgery is my job and my passion. I love it. I have hundreds of YouTube videos, and it's funny, some of the most popular videos are very small procedures like cysts. So some patients will present to cosmetic surgeons for cyst removal to have a very clean and plastic type incision, and these cyst videos get a lot of airtime. Now, frequently, in most cysts, are what I would call a fresh cyst. They're sterile and they have some type of keratin or creamy, pasty type substance inside. We'll remove that, and you have to remove the lining of the cyst. Some cysts get infected, and these can be kind of nasty, and they can really blow up like a big abscess. So I'm going to show you a little case where we're removing. So this patient has what's probably a sebaceous cyst. It could be a lipoma or something like that, but because it looks a little hyperpigmented there was probably a pimple or something, but you can see that it's very mobile. So we're going to incise this and take it out, and we're going to prep it and put a surgical cover on, and we'll be back in a second. So what we're going to do is we want this to be parallel to the crow's feet wrinkles, and we're going to stretch it and incise this ever so gently as not to disrupt the contents of the cyst. And you can see the lining, and it is a sebaceous cyst. So we're going to come back in a second and undermine this. So because this the lining is so bound down, we're just going to express the contents from this cyst, and then we're going to go and take out the sac. So you can see the contents of a sebaceous cyst here. Now we'll come back and get the lining. And here is the second. We're expressing the rest of the contents out. And what you'll see here is that the cyst will be attached to the base of all of this. So here's the cystic lining, and we'll start to dissect that. And you can see that this part is the lining. So let's take some of this contents away here. All right, so you can see now that we have the lining here, and we're excising that. And that's really the key to curing these, is to get all of the cystic lining out of here. And you got to imagine this is like a grape. And the inside, the contents of this cyst were the grape, and this lining, this stuff here, is the skin of the grape. So we've pretty much got the whole kind of balloon or grape out of here, and now we'll go back inside and make sure there's nothing left. So you can see the base of the cyst. That's a nice clean base right there, and we've got all the cystic tissue out. One thing I like to do is take a bipolar cautery. First of all, make sure that there's no bleeding, and second of all, just to ablate any leftover tissue that might be in there. And so we're going to irrigate this out with antibiotic solution and betadine and close it up with several sutures, and you'll never know that was there. So we've closed this with 3/6/0 gut sutures, and since this was a convexity, and you take out the center of it, it'll be a little concave at first, so it'll be a little depression, but that will quickly fill in, and we'll take a picture when he comes back when it's all healed. I'm Dr. Joe, and I am to LoveThatFace.com. Hi, I'm Dr. Joe, and I am to CosmeticSurgeryEducation.com, and I hope you enjoy our free YouTube videos. I want to talk to you a little bit about our for-purchase video series, and if you follow our education platform, you know that in the past I had a very successful DVD cosmetic surgery video series that you would order on DVD. To become more contemporary, we've done it all over, and now it is all online. I spent 2 years and recorded over 300 hours of 1080p high definition video and it's fully narrated in a step-by-step teaching manner. This includes, but not limited to, topics such as blepharoplasty, brow lift, minimally invasive facelift, traditional facelift, facial implants, otoplasty, laser resurfacing, chemical peel, injectable fillers, neurotoxins, mole removal, the management of fat in the head and neck, and other topics. I think this is a great review for experienced surgeons and a great teaching tool for students, interns, residents, or anybody that wants to learn about cosmetic surgery. If you go to cosmeticsurgeryeducation.com, you can preview any video, and they're very reasonably priced. When you order a video, you can stream it 24/7 as well as download it, so you own the video. I'm really excited, and I think I put together a really awesome teaching series. Check it out, cosmeticsurgeryeducation.com. I'm Dr. Joe Nyamty.